Welcome to Malaysia, a country of endless wonders, where modern skyscrapers stand beside ancient temples, paradise islands meet lush rainforests, and vibrant cultures blend to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a history lover, adventure seeker, or food enthusiast, Malaysia has something for you. In this video, we'll explore Malaysia's most iconic destinations city by city, uncovering must-visit landmarks, thrilling activities, and hidden gems. And don't miss our essential travel tips at the end to make your journey smoother. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the wonders of Malaysia. Our journey begins in Kuala Lumpur, the vibrant capital of Malaysia. A city where tradition meets modernity, KL is home to iconic landmarks, incredible food, and an electric nightlife. Let's explore. First up, the Petronas Towers. Standing at 452 meters, these are the world's tallest twin towers and Malaysia's most recognizable landmark. Walk across the Sky Bridge for a unique view of the city or head to the observation deck on the 86th floor to witness a breathtaking skyline. History lovers should visit Merdeka Square, the place where Malaysia declared independence in 1957. Right next to it, the Sultan Abdul Samad Building is an architectural masterpiece with stunning Moorish influences. Just 20 minutes from the city lies Batu Caves, a Hindu pilgrimage site with a towering 140-foot golden statue of Lord Murugan. Climb 272 colorful steps and explore the massive limestone caves inside. Be mindful of the monkeys. They love snatching snacks. For shopping, head to Bukit Bintang, where luxury malls like Pavilion KL meet quirky street markets. As the sun sets, the area comes alive with street performances and bars. Kuala Lumpur is a food lover's paradise. Visit Jalan Alor for a night market experience like no other. Try Malaysia's national dish, nasi lemak, fragrant coconut rice with spicy sambal, crunchy anchovies, peanuts, and a boiled egg. If you love noodles, don't miss char kway teow, stir-fried flat noodles with prawns, egg, and Chinese sausage. Next, we travel to Penang, a UNESCO-listed island known for its rich history, street art, and world-famous street food. Georgetown is a history buff's dream. Wander through Armenian Street, where you'll find stunning street art, including the famous Children on Bicycle mural. Each painting here tells a story about Penang's heritage. For a spiritual retreat, visit Kek Lok Si Temple, the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia. Its 7-tiered pagoda and giant bronze statue of the Goddess of Mercy make it an awe-inspiring sight. Penang is famous for its hawker food, and you cannot leave without trying asam laksa, a tangy fish-based noodle soup packed with herbs and flavors. If you're a seafood lover, Gurney Drive is the place to go. Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. For an unforgettable experience, take the Langkawi cable car to the Sky Bridge. a curved walkway suspended high above the mountains with breathtaking views of the Andaman Sea. Join an island hopping tour and visit the legendary Pregnant Maiden Lake, or explore the Kolam Geoforest Park, a UNESCO-listed mangrove forest filled with exotic wildlife. Before you pack your bags, here are some essential travel tips for Malaysia. The best time to visit Malaysia is from March to October, when the weather is drier. If you're heading to the East Coast islands like Redang or Tioman, visit between March and October, as monsoon season hits from November to February. The official currency is the Malaysian ringgit, MYR. While credit cards are widely accepted, street vendors and small shops prefer cash. In cities, use Grab, Malaysia's version of Uber. Public transport is reliable, with MRT, LRT, and monorail services in Kuala Lumpur. When visiting temples or mosques, dress modestly, no shorts or sleeveless tops. Always remove your shoes before entering religious sites. From vibrant cities to tropical beaches, Malaysia is a country that truly has it all. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!